Hi, this is Saint-Piaf. This is a Garmin Forerunner 55. I'm going to show you how to remove and recover a card. This screen here that you see is called My Day Card or My Day Cards. So I'm scrolling. So the first one I have here is steps. So let's get rid of steps. So here I'm going to press always hide. So now I've lost my steps. How do I get my steps back again? What you do on the same screen, you scroll down to where you see Edit My Day. You click Edit My Day. I press Edit My Day, and here you can see my cards, and at the very bottom here, hidden cards, it says steps. I want to return the steps, so I press the plus button. Steps are, where are they? Steps are at the very bottom here. So if I go back to Edit My Day, there's no save function. You just press. So if I scroll down, steps used to be at the top. If I scroll down, steps are here at the bottom. I want to put the steps back at the very top here. So I go back, scroll back down. This again is called My Day Cards. Scroll all the way down and I press Edit My Day again. And here I can see steps. See the symbol here? You press, hold and move it. So I'm dragging it all the way to the top. So steps are now top, heart rate second. Again, there's no save function. I return to the main screen. Steps, heart rate, stress. Well, I hope this has helped you. If it has, please give a like, comment. Thank you. Bye-bye. From Melbourne, Australia. Woohoo! Saint-Piaf signing out.